Xenon Depot today, we've got the Peach State Overland group. They stopped by with 5 different rigs, couple Tacomas, couple 4Runners, and we've been doing installs all day. It's like 90 degrees in this shop. I'm filthy, we're having a blast, and this is the last one we've got today. We've got a projector low beam and a reflector high beam. We're gonna outfit this guy for their trip coming up next week. They've got a massive overlanding trip. It's gonna be about 5 days. Check out their social media, check out ours. We're gonna share a little bit both ways. But let's dig into this thing and make it a little more capable for them so that they can enjoy their adventure. So the first step is getting our original bulbs out of this thing, and honestly, I miss these days. These things are so easy to work on. You don't have to take anything apart. Just twist the bulb counterclockwise and pop it right out. You can just squeeze the tab and they pop out just like that. Now for the low beam, we're going to be doing an HID kit from Xenon Depot. The reason being, we've got a projector-based housing here, and while a lot of the LED bulbs on the market today are starting to catch up, HID is still the way to go for projectors, especially in this vehicle, and so that's what we're going to do. Now these HID kits are about as easy as it gets when it comes to installing them. We don't have any crazy harnesses to run or anything like that. Twist the bulb in clockwise after you've cleaned it. It's very important to clean the bulb before you install it. Plug this little adapter into the factory wiring just like so. Now this end of the adapter harness goes to our HID ballast. And Xenon Depot includes this nice 3M tape for these ballasts. It's really slick. You can mount them just about anywhere. You don't have to zip tie them or hang them off of anything if you don't want to. And I've cleaned a spot on the frame right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this off here. Stick it down there just like so. And finally I can connect these amp connections here for the HID bulb itself. And that's it for low beam. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now, high beam is very similar. We're actually doing LED for the high beam rather than HID. The reason for that is the last thing you want is the HID warm-up period when it comes to your high beam. You want a high beam that's instant on, instant off. So when you're on your way to the trail, you're on the highway, you can hit that high beam, use it when you need it, and shut it down before traffic comes up to you. So, twist the bulb counterclockwise, it pops out just like this. And today we're installing the Extreme LED Pro LED bulb by Xenon Depot. And the biggest reason we choose this bulb over all the other options in the market is it's passively cooled. It doesn't have a fan that's going to get gunked up. If you look at this engine bay, this dude uses this 4Runner. It goes through mud holes, it goes through dirt and dusty roads. And trust me, we've actually got a couple of bulbs laying on the ground already today that were fan-based that failed because these guys use them. They use these vehicles, they get gunked up. They quit working, the bulb overheats. It's not good for anybody. The Extreme LED Pro is these fins that just spread out after you've installed the bulb, and it cools just like that. Nothing to it. Twist the bulb clockwise into position and take this end and connect it to the factory wiring. It's as simple as that. If you've got a 4Runner like this, you cannot go wrong with either of the modifications I've showed you today. If you've got any other vehicle or you're doing any overlanding like this, by all means, head on over to our website. We'd love to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.